Hey folks, hope you guys are doing well as usual, and welcome to another one of my videos. If you're familiar with my channel, you know I do videos mainly on the Fido L3, any problems I've had with it, upgrades that I've done on it, any maintenance. I also do videos on rides through London, time-lapse videos, things like that. And one of the things that I use is basically just a kind of old budget camera, action camera that I've had for a while. So I've been looking to upgrade that and get a true 4K camera. And so for the last few months I've been looking at DJI, Insta360, you know, a GoPro, and I finally decided to settle on the Insta360 Ace Pro. I kind of felt that it fitted my needs best. And it was like better for blogging rather than more of an action camera, which is more suited to my needs. So Amazon Prime had their sale on a couple of weeks ago, and they had £50 off the camera. So it was just too good to miss out on that. So I got bought the Ace Pro, bought the Bullet, and got the camera. And once you get the camera, then you have to obviously go out and buy all the accessories with it, because it really doesn't come with much apart from one couple of small accessories to hook it on to, you know, a tripod or something if you've already got it. So basically the last few weeks I've been going out and buying different types of accessories, and I wanted to get a new tripod for it because I had an old one, but it was kind of like it was getting a little bit broken in certain places, so I thought I may as well upgrade it. And the price of a tripod that I was looking at is like £35–40, and then I came across this here, which is the PGYTECH Caplock Mantis. It's only been out, I think, for about a month as well, so there's not that many videos on it on the internet. But what it does is it's got a built-in battery that can hook onto the Ace Pro, and the remote is designed for the Ace Pro, so you can stop-start videos, things like that, turn the camera on and off as well. So this was quite expensive because I bought it through Amazon. You can actually buy it through the PGYTECH online store, and you'll save yourself about £20. But I'm going on holiday in a few weeks, and I needed to get it quick, and I didn't know how long it was going to take for PGYTECH to send it to the UK. So I just, you know, bought the Bullet again and just basically decided to get it. So this is just a quick unboxing that I thought I would do. I haven't used it yet at all, so I don't know what it's like. I will do some videos later further to tell you what my thoughts are on it, and if I found any problems, and how long the battery is going to last. But I thought I would just do a quick unboxing, just so you guys can see what you actually get in the actual box. So we've got some leaflets here, which is just the usual stuff you would get with it. And let's see what here you see. You've got the actual tripod, which is quite heavy. You can tell there's definitely a battery inside it. You've got this lanyard here. You've got their Caplock system, which hooks on, which I'll just put it in there like that, and then you just press it and it comes out. So you get that, and what else? And you get another Caplock one for the 1/4 inch here. I think that should fit in. Yep. So yeah. And what else? And you get some, maybe that's a sticker. So you get a PGYTECH sticker, and you get this Allen key, which I don't really need, but if you don't have an Allen key, it's always good to have. I think it must be for screwing something up. I have to read the instructions on that, but it looks like a 4mm Allen key, 3 or 4mm, 3.5, 4mm Allen key. So basically it seems to be what you get in the box. Hopefully the Ace Pro will focus down this low. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, so there you have it. Move this out of the way. And there you have the camera. There you have the tripod. Unscrew that. And now you can put your Ace Pro in there. So, and the other thing with this is, if you watch all the other videos, you can hook this onto a onto a fence or something, or a bit of something that stands out, so you can put that and then have your camera out here. I'll just show you something else as well. I bought, I didn't do an unboxing on this, but I bought it the other day, and this is this is a neck, what is this thing called? A neck mount, I guess. So what happens is this goes around your neck. There's a little button on the inside here, so you press that and that pulls out, and then that puts in there, you can put that around your neck, and you get a with this you get so you get a GoPro with a 1/4 inch on it. You also get, this is the Caplock system as well, and then you get this as well, where you can put your GoPro style mount on for any camera that takes it. And you also get this chest strap where you can actually, it hooks into these two bits in here, and then you can put that around your back to stop the camera from bouncing off your chest or top of your, just below your neck. So this was the neck one. I got a slight discount on that. It was only like £1.33 or something, so it was like 34, and I got a with the tripod I got a slight discount on that, about £5, so it was about 75, because I didn't get this on the Amazon Prime sale. So that's it, folks. I'll be doing some more rides, and I'll be testing out some of this equipment in the near future. So check back in with my channel whenever you can, or whenever you see a video posted. And it would really help the channel if you would like and subscribe this video as well.